You literally have to watch an ad before opening your fridge. If that blew your mind, hit that sub button. I've got 100 more like it. Imagine walking to your fridge, starving. And it says, your cold drink will be ready after this short ad. Sounds crazy, right? But it's already happening, just not in your kitchen yet. Some smart fridges today already have screens. Brands are testing ways to show you recipes, deals, and yes, ads. And with tech like facial recognition, those ads could be personalized. Craving pizza, your fridge knows it might even lock until the ad finishes. That midnight snack sponsored by Nacho Cheese. All to keep your groceries cheaper, or maybe just make someone else richer. What if?